I think this church is so pretty. It's those wooden doors. Good morning, guys. Good morning, Kyle. Grayson, are you back there? Yeah. All right. It's real quiet. So we got up nice and early today. It's just now 8 o'clock. And we are going to the Alabaster Caverns. Alabaster is a type of, is it a, what did you say, a gemstone?
Yeah, I think so. I mean, it's alabaster, so I'm assuming it's got lots of like stone formation.
Well, this is the largest, like, amount of alabaster you can go and actually see and go into a cave in the world. So, I was reading about it.
So alabaster is like what they use. It's like the white carving rock they use when they can't do ivory.
It's a rare form of gypsum.
Yeah. We saw those guys make it, in Egypt when they're doing that white stuff.
But it's the largest natural gypsum cave in the world that is open to the public, and the only Egyptian show cave in the United States. So there are other caves of gypsum, but not that are open to the public. But anyway, not this size.
Is this a working cave? I guess.
I don't know.
I guess they don't mind.
So we're excited. So we're kind of caravanning, but we're a little bit ahead of everybody else, so we'll get there before everyone. And I've got the baby carrier because I also have a baby, so we'll see how this goes. Baby in a cavern. All right, the camera in absolutely zero. Kyle, it just can't do it justice. It just on camera, it just doesn't look that impressive. But you guys in real life, this is one of the prettiest sights. It's just these gentle rolling hills and like big opens. Like, how would you, I mean, I can't, Kyle, it just, it is just so breathtaking, and I hate that it doesn't show up on camera.
It's really pretty.
The camera just can't do it justice. I hate that. I want the camera to do it justice so I can show everyone.
It's nice because it's got all the, like, multiple levels.
I know, there's just levels,
see, like,
and it's just,
like, you can see the terrain.
It's just really beautiful. It's just really, and in the distance there's higher plateaus and things like that.
You get a little bit of mountain.
Yeah.
Not
far away.
Farmland.
See all the red dirt.
This is the cave we'll be going down. Down into dun 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 darkness. No, I'm just kidding. So after the total darkness, we're gonna end up in the gun barrel tunnel, the bat dome, awesome, the cathedral dome, elephant rock, and then the visitor trail, and then finally the fallout shelter area. Oh, there's a bright one. Fallout shelter, and then the exit. Okay, the whole tour is less than a mile though, so that, it looks impressive, and then you're just like, oh, it's literally like all contained within like a 1 mile walk. Climb or go down a total of 330 stair steps. Welcome to Alabaster Caverns State Park, Oklahoma's underground wonderland. And then they show you a picture of nothing underground. And then here, we can see these in the state park, including some bats. The Mexican free-tail bat.
Hey, Courtney. Hey, Kristen. Fancy meeting you here in the taverns.
Well, I've got all of our family.
Taverns, the caverns.
Oh, more steps. Oh, no.
Rhonda has to hold on to that too. Okay, I can get her. You just hold on. Here. Yeah, she might hold on to it. Just right.
You trying to tell us something, Lindsay?
Big money pile.
I know.
Mud. Step around the mud. There you go. Okay. This is what we signed up for, so everyone comes in single file now. Ooh. Audrey and I are desperately trying not to fall.
Having help from the kids.
It's funny, I think I need more help because I don't have any friction on my shoes.
Walls and the ceiling. That is the purest form of gypsum you're going to find. It's selenite.
Ooh.
It's what a lot of these earlier settlers used to refer to as isinglass. They used to use that as windows into some houses.
Oh.
Layer that off about as thick as your fingernail, you could look right through it.
Marcy and the band.
noticed the water back there a few minutes ago, you could definitely hear it standing here at this point. You're fine now.
There's 2.
I tell them when the airport
3.
takes at night.
4.
I like to see the little other things. Like it sounds legit.
5 back bottom.
Yeah, Nathan, the same.
And you can see the wheels.
5 and 4 back.
And how to do damage control,
We
tell
get
the
our
truth.
the strain.
All of this being eroded away through water sources
Yeah, it's
over
there.
there.
What are you doing right now?
I'm nursing in a cave.
Of course you are.
I'm just going real.
Hey, Landon.
Whoa, nice and slow, everybody.
Down to your left, and it gives you the illusion it goes into the bottom of the cave. I had people ask if they could rappel off of the side of the bridge. You don't need much
Where's
of a
Sophie
rope
at?
at this
Oh, I guess
point.
up the very
It
front.
gives you the illusion if you rappel off 40 feet, it's 7 inches deep at this point.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh no. Oh no. Okay. Is he freaking out?
Are you Batwoman?
It's Bruce Wayne adjacent. She said we might see 1 or 2 bats.
Yeah.
Well.
Well, in the winter, they nest on the side of the cave.
Oh my gosh, there's
They
more.
hibernate.
They're all over us.
Here comes the guano, boys.
That's what I'm worried about. I thought it was mud.
Incoming. The guano drop. Well, we just gotta have a tin can, coffee can with holes in it. We just kind of fry up 2, 3, or 4 off the wall into the coffee can. They never knew what hit it.
Dad.
30 minutes before they woke up. Then we had a cage at the guy's house, wire mesh cage.
Dad. Did you ever let him go?
Huh?
Did you ever let him go?
I think some of them died naturally. Joe, once our science thing was over with, we let him go.
Oh, it was for a science thing?
Yeah, sophomore biology.
Oh my gosh, guys, I see a waterfall up ahead.
Yeah. What?
Kyle, I think the bats are allowing her to sleep. Yeah, she's awake, but she's real calm.
There's where the bats go, Riley. See? That's their hidey hole.
Oh, we found it.
I wonder if that
They're like a water
if there's like an outlet to the surface up there.
There's gotta be.
Well, they go out the main entrance, I know. They try to cave, but I wouldn't be trying.
Hey, Greg. Hey, Kyle. Hello. Hi, Audrey. Hey, Court. What happened, Courtney? Did you get dive bombed by that?
I bat twice. The first one I thought I imagined it. I was like, I just didn't rock. I couldn't see anything.
They were saying that this was a fallout shelter back in the day. Hey guys, did you have fun? Yeah. Landon, did you have fun? Great. Did you have fun? We made it. Yeah. It's a lot. There's a lot more elevation than the camera shows. That's what I was saying. Yeah. You can say hi to it.
Am I talking?
Woo! We did it! There were no broken limbs. a success.
You survived.
Say hi.
She's waving.
Say hi, Elizabeth.
She'll do it, Audrey.
Hi.
Hi.
Audrey, look at Mama.
Good job. Good job.
She saw Grandma.
She said hi.
Okay,
Hey,
let me get
Landon,
that baby.
smile.
Let me get that baby. In your face.
Another one?
Your face.
Are you kidding
That's
me?
all I'm telling you.
And you stopped way past the stop sign.
I'm pretty clear of all clear.
Yeah, but you stopped way past the stop sign.
Stop sign.
It's right there. It's behind us.
Stop sign. I didn't even see one. For real. I like how you're like, we don't have to wait long.
Well, you know what? I didn't count on second train. I feel like I should get a
What
one.
if as soon as this one ends, the next
Another one comes. All right, we're back. We're gonna go get cleaned up. We just shared the fun story of everything that happened in a live vlog. That was kind of hilarious. We're okay. They don't have their shoes on because they're dirty, and we told them it's okay, but both of them were like, oh no. The good kids. So Kyle, is this our family now? No shoes? No shoes, children? Ragged looking, muddy children? Good job.
Stop.
This is what's left over of Elizabeth's lunch. She demolished 3 strawberries. One of them kind of ended up on the floor, and about, I want to say 40 blueberries. Did you bring her more? I demolished them.
Well, that's what she has an appetite for. She's missing her fruit.
I mean, demolished them.
Here, you want apple? There you go, honey. Audrey, prayer.
Dear Heavenly Father, thank you for this beautiful day. Thank you for the wonderful time our family can get together. Bless this food to nourish our bodies and our bodies to our service. Amen.
Amen.
There you go. Like feeding the babies. Ethan, would you like to milk?
All right, Grayson, what are we seeing?
Since you're not
Jurassic
begging, I'll
Park,
have
The
to
Fallen
share with you.
Kingdom.
Jurassic World.
Jurassic World, The Fallen Kingdom.
The Fallen Kingdom. I forgot that part. You're smart. And did you get some delicious gummy bears? Pretty sweet.
Tyson, you want milk duds?
So there's a lot of our family right there.
Matter of opinion, but yeah, okay.
Well, and then some of them are not here yet.
But there's more coming?
Well, there's some like cousin Adam went to get food or the bathroom or something.
Who wants a dud?
I'm good. Thanks so, Grandpa.
Or milk duds?
In one of the stores, one part they were showing them who wanted to buy one of them. They said they interacted. Everyone left because of that bonk. He had one with the heads and bonk everything.
Do you know what that one's called? We didn't know.
Hadrosaurus.
Hadrosaurus, okay.
Yeah.
That one had one. Then when they
Did you have a good day? Are you snuggly? You're so snuggly and cute. I love you. Was that fun in the cave today? Let me move your hair up. Let me get it out of your way. There we go. Oh, my little snuggle bunny. So I just noticed that like part of my ponytail fell since my hair's shorter. Look, it looks like I have some like weird mullet thing.
Right in this tank.
Well, on that attractive note, we're gonna call it a night. Thank you guys for watching. We'll talk to everyone tomorrow. Good night.